Here we go, boys and girls, symmetrical name creatures. Symmetry, or being symmetrical, means that something is the same on both sides, like it's divided in half and both sides are the same. For this project, all we need is some thin white paper and a pencil and markers. You'll notice that I folded my paper the long way in half and I have my fold down. You're going to be writing the letters of your name nice and big on the paper and going all the way down to the bottom edge, that folded edge. Instead of writing my actual name, I'm just going to write the words my name. And you'll notice I had to kind of cheat a little for that lowercase y. Normally it would drop below the line, so I just cheated and made it stay above the line. I'm doing this in uppercase and lowercase letters, but you could do it all in capitals. You could also do it in cursive if you can write in cursive, and I'll show you an example of that at the end of the video. If you did it the first time, all your letters fit, then congratulations, you can start tracing it with a dark colored marker. You'll see I'm using a permanent marker, but it doesn't have to be a permanent marker. It could be any dark colored marker. Just trace over all of those pencil lines that made your name. If you have a really long name, you have to make your letters a little skinnier so they all fit on there. If you have a short name, then you can make them a little wider. Go ahead, trace all of those lines with the dark colored marker, and then you are ready for the next step. We're going to take our paper and flip it over, and you see how you can see the marker on the other side of the paper? You're going to trace that again. Now, if you are at home, you can do this trick. You can hold your paper up to a window and see through it even better. Just put your paper right on the glass window, let the light shine through it, and you'll be able to see your lines easily. In the classroom, we don't have enough, we only have one little window on the door, but at home, you could use that window to your advantage. Flip it over and trace it one last time. You'll notice that it looks backwards, but that's okay. That's what it's supposed to do. And then once you have it traced that one last time, you'll be able to open your paper up and your name is on both sides. Look it over now. Decide which way would it make a better head for your creature. One way might look more like a head. One way might look more like you could make it into feet or legs, or maybe there's something you see that looks like horns. Use your imagination and turn these letters into a creature. You're not just stuck with the lines that your name made. You can add more lines. You notice I'm adding arms and I'm adding teeth and fur on the head. I'm turning those into eyebrows and eyelashes. Maybe your creature has 15 eyeballs. Maybe it is ooey and gooey. Maybe it's furry, or maybe it looks like a skeleton. Maybe it looks like a bug. Your imagination is limitless with what you can turn your creature into. Once you are done drawing and outlining your creature, then you can add some color. Have fun with it. You can use patterns. You can use textures. You'll notice I didn't color in the blue fur of my creature solid. I just kind of made furry lines. I made a pattern on the shirt, pants. Just please do your best work, your nice, neat coloring, taking your time, using your craftsmanship. I also wanted to show you my name when I did it in cursive. So if you know how to do cursive writing, you can make your name in cursive too. And so here's another example that I did that way.